Hello my great friends, welcome to a new video. And for today's video I want to show you how to cash out points program. Remember, on this channel I posted a video on how to join Facebook Viewpoints program where you earn cash from Facebook. And recently, most of my viewers followed my video and joined the program and started earning. Some of you have been requesting me to give a video on how to cash out, and this is now a video which I'm giving to guide you on how to cash out the money that you have earned from Facebook Viewpoints program. Before we enter to the tutorial, kindly, if you are not subscribed to this channel, subscribe, like and share our content with your friends. Now, with your Viewpoints app on your device, you just tap it to open. When you open your Facebook Viewpoints program and you want to cash out, you tap on the icon on the lower part of the lights named as accounts. You tap it. Then you are live on this part of the page where you have to tap on payment settings. Depending on the points that you have earned, there are 2 points of cashing out, either by giving the charities or the Visa. You know that it will depend with the amount that you are going to cash out. When I go back to my Viewpoints program, you know that I've been gaining some points. After every week I gain 500 points, and after 1000 points you get $3. So you can see, from the time I joined the Facebook Viewpoints, I've gained, the first week I've gained $3. The first 2 weeks I've gained $3. The second 2 weeks $3, $3 and $3. So the amount that I can cash out from my account, maximum $12. It will depend on how you want to cash out. On this part, I will display by shopping a Visa. So I will just tap on shop now. Depending with your points you've earned, as you can see, $150 for 150 points Visa, $125 for 125 points International Prepaid Visa, etc. Since on my account I have under 12 points, I can cash out $10. So I'll have to tap on this part of cashing out $10. Then I'll earn this to cut. I'll tap earn to cut. Then you can tap on checkout, to know or to about to cash out. You know that the visa will be delivered through your email, and you have to give it or to allow 1 to 5 business days to be under your name. As you can see, these are my names. Then it will be directed to my linked email address. After completing checking all of your information, you just tap on praise the order. I'm praising the order right now. You can see this is a message. Congratulations, your order has been praised. This is the order name. So within 1 to 5 days, I'll get my $10 international prepaid visa. It's all about cashing out from Facebook Viewpoints program. Thank you for today. We'll meet again with another video.